Hi there, and today we are going to learn about how to use ClickUp templates. But more specifically, we are going to focus on how you can create, save, and update existing templates. So here I am in my ClickUp workspace. So from here, just go to a workspace that you already have. So for example, I have this test workspace right here, and I want to use this as a template. So to do that, you can just click on space settings and then go to templates right here, and then we can save it as a template. So if you want to create a new template, so just create a workspace right here and then just go ahead and name it. So I'll say new template, click on continue, and then just go ahead and create your workflow right here. So I'll say starter, create space. And then since I have a free plan, I am only limited to 5 spaces. So I can just delete a specific space right here. And I can create a new one again. So now I have this space. So from here, you can go ahead and edit your template. You can add some lists, you can add some boards, you can add some more views right here like a calendar, document, Gantt chart, and so on and so forth. So let's go back to my workspace right here. So after you have finished editing your template, again, you need to save it right here as a template so that you can use that template in the future. So click save as template, and then I'll say test new template right here. And then you can share this to all of your ClickUp members, or you can only save this to yourself. You can share this with admins only, or you can share it with everyone. So it depends on your preference. You can also turn on if you want to make your template public so that everyone can see it. So I'll just say all members, and then you can customize what type of items that you want to import. So you can choose specific items only, but for me, I want to import everything. So save template, and then now we have our template right here. So let's just wait for it to be successful. So from here, you can also update your existing template. So let's wait for this to finish. So after it has finished, so we'll just wait for this. So for example, you want to update this template right here. You can just click the three dots and then go here to templates and then click update existing template. And then from here, we can now select our new template. So since it is finished loading, we can select our existing template right here and then click next. So since this is the new name of our template, we can just change the name right here, click save template, and then this should be updated to our new template right here. So let's just wait for it to finish loading. So now that it is finished, so this template is now updated to the existing template. So we can still see it right here in browse templates. So we should see the template that we created right here. So if it isn't here, since this is a public template, so we should see it right here in existing templates. So we just changed the name, but it is now applied to this template right here, to this workspace. And then that's it. That is how we can create, update, and save templates right here in ClickUp. I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.